Hey, Will here from PPC Coach. So, Black Friday is upon us. What are we going to do? What offer are we going to put together? How are we going to wow you? How are we going to get you to, do this? Well, I've got something that I put together that is an absolute no-brainer. So I'm going to go through it for you right now. If you're into print on demand with Shopify or Etsy, or even going direct with platforms, Printify, Awkward Styles, Printful, T-Launch, whatever you're using, this is going to benefit you big time. I've never, ever, ever put a deal like this before together. So I am pumped to show you what I got to offer, and then I'll show you the price that's going to blow your mind. You're going to be like, what are you doing, Will? Why are you giving all this away? So check this out. I've combined two different things. I'm doing a pre-sell on a future bootcamp, and I'm giving you boot camps and I'm giving you templates right now that you can get into. So first, let's go into the pre-sell. So I'm going to run a custom name necklace bootcamp, and I'm going to be running that in my bootcamp format. It's going to start December 22nd, and then it's going to be December 28th, and then January 6th. There's going to be 3 sessions for you. And what do I mean by custom name necklace? Well, my buddy over at Shine On just literally made my day. So he put this together. They're offering the ability to do custom name necklaces with freaking message cards. This is an amazing combination of 2 of the most powerful products I've seen in a long, long time. I'm going to be jumping all over this. He literally just announced this an hour ago, and I was just going to give you guys, the existing boot camps that I have as my kind of bundle for Black Friday. But then I'm like, why not run a boot camp on this too? Because we can sell the crap out of these necklaces. So this is the #1 item that you're going to get with my Black Friday super duper offer. It's going to be a boot camp on custom name necklaces starting in December. The reason I'm starting it then is because basically I'm going away for a week, and we're getting to the point where we're almost too late to make this really fly off the shelves for December. But guess what's coming up? Valentine's Day. That is like a gigantic holiday. Can you imagine giving somebody a custom name necklace with a nice message card in a beautiful box as a gift? I'm going to. I've got 5 daughters. I've got a wife. I got a mom. I got a sister. I got all these women in my life that I'm going to be like, here's your gift. Like, thank you so much, Eric from Shine On, for making this product available. I've never been this pumped about something in my life. Like, I can't wait. So that's product #1 that you're going to get with my PPC Coach Black Friday 95% off insane offer. That's worth, I'm going to charge $498.50 for that, so $498.50. And you'll be seeing, I'll be promoting that in the future at that price. Now, that's not all you're going to get though. I'm going to throw in 5 boot camps that I've already run. The first one is YouTube ads for e-commerce. It's right here. You get instant access to it right away. There's already people that have gone through it, and it's basically, you get all the sessions right here. Session 1 right there, session 2 right there, session 3, session 4. There's basically 4 sessions in this YouTube ads for e-com, plus support in that group for you. YouTube ads can work very well, especially with these name necklaces. It's going to work awesome. So that's the first boot camp that you get. The second one is the Google Ads boot camp. Now this one is huge. There's not only hour-long trainings in it, but there's basically 4 sessions, and you get instant access to all of them right here. Week 1, week 2, week 3, and oh, sorry, that's a 3-week one. But basically, we're going to teach you how to do Google Ads, which is Google Shopping, Google Display, Google Search, and Gmail ads for e-commerce. That's what I'm going to do for you. That's #2. #3 is probably one of my favorite boot camps that I've ever run, and this is email marketing for e-commerce. This is a boot camp that I put together as well. There's 4 training sessions in this. They're all over an hour long. You get full access to this immediately, plus the group. Email marketing is king, as we all know. It doesn't matter what platform you're on. It could be Shopify, it could be Etsy, it could be any of them. It doesn't matter. It could be WooCommerce, it could be Launchcart, it could be whatever platform you're on. It really doesn't matter. You can use email marketing for e-commerce successfully, and I will teach you how. By the end of this one, you'll be an expert on it. Finally, well, not finally, but I threw in another one, Christmas Profits 2021 Bootcamp. That's from last year where I ran this bootcamp. And again, you get 4 training sessions in this. And this one was teaching, I think it was TikTok ads and metal name signs in it. But you can see there's already people that have gone through it. You get full access to that. And then I put in the Valentine's Day 2022, which was run in 2022, so that you can get access to that. There's 4 training sessions in that I ran live that you can see right here. You get instant access with all my boot camps that you purchased, the existing ones. I pinned all of the replays to the very top right here. So you just click it and then it loads and you can instantly see that one's an hour and 11 minutes. You get instant access to that so you can see it all. So that's not all though. Like, so we've got the Presell, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boot camps. And then I said, okay, so if we're going to be doing this custom name necklace thing, we're going to need some templates for some message cards. Thankfully, I've been running a little template club for quite a while here, and I've actually accumulated 170 professional templates. Now, some are necklaces, but the bulk of them are message cards. So this means, like this particular one on the screen right now, you get full access to this. You get the PSD file, so you can edit this in Photoshop, or you can edit this in Photo P. I've also got videos on how to edit these, and I even give you the fonts. So you don't have to worry about it looking different from how you wanted it to look. So I can edit anything on here that I want. If I don't like this red ball up here in the top, I can get rid of it. If I want to change it from Merry Christmas to my wife, I can do that. This bottom part where it says, "You are the best, I cannot wait to spend the rest of my Christmases with you," I can change that to whatever I want in that exact font. So you don't need expensive template software to do this. All you need is Photoshop, my templates, and or Photopea or Photopea. I don't know how it's pronounced, but Photopea, it's like the free version of Photoshop. So this is awesome. You get a whole bunch of these going back to, I'll show you here. Basically, I started that in July of 2021. And there are message cards, and there are also, like there's a beautiful one, to my daughter. Love you then, love you still, always have, always will, love dad. If you wanted to make that and say to my daughter, you could use the same quote and you could change that to love mom, or love grandpa, or love grandma, or love auntie, or love uncle, or love your name. If you, I mean, well, you can't really customize this part, but imagine this with the daughter's name on like a personalized name necklace. So they would get this, they would get the gift box, they would get everything. So basically, there's a whole bunch of these. You get links to every single pack that I have. I'm just trying to look at some other ones here. What's this one? There's one, To My Soulmate. I loved you then, love you still, always have, always will. With a nice name, personalized name necklace across that in a gift box, that's gonna sell like crazy. Can you imagine putting one of these up for Valentine's Day? Or if you wanted to, you could do it for Christmas too. It's up to you. It really, really works very well. So to summarize and to tell you, what the heck is this going to cost? This sounds expensive. So I've got the Presell for the custom name necklace bootcamp. That's about 500 bucks. You get instant access to YouTube ads for e-commerce bootcamp, 500 bucks. You get Google ads for e-commerce bootcamp, about 500 bucks. Email marketing for e-commerce bootcamp, 500 bucks. Christmas Profits 2021 Bootcamp, 500 bucks. Valentine's Day Bootcamp, that's about 500 bucks right there. 170 message cards, and then the total value is about $5,940. It's actually a little bit more because I just added the Presell. So basically, for those 5 and the templates, it would be $5,940. It's actually a little bit more because I just added in the Presell. So you get 95% off. So what I'm charging for this whole package is $297. Now, when I run this custom name necklace bootcamp, it will be $498.50. Okay, so you will never get access to this bootcamp again at this price. So you're getting live training, and you're getting a whole bunch of training on a whole bunch of traffic sources and marketing methods and products that nobody teaches. What everybody else does in my world is they'll teach you how to run ads from Facebook to a product. That's fine, that's good. I'm going beyond that. I'm going to YouTube ads, I'm going to Google ads of all kinds. I'm going with my templates, I'm going with everything for you. So the whole goal too, once you build up that email list, you're laughing. So I'm going to show you how to build that list and how to use it. So this is it. You get access to the custom name necklace bootcamp, which is coming up in the future. And then you get instant access to those 5 bootcamps, the message cards, all for $297. That's it. This is a ton of value, like wicked value. You can see people already paid a lot more for these bootcamps individually, but I wanted to put together an insane offer for you. So it is for a limited time. This offer does expire Monday, November 28th. I think that's right. At basically midnight. So 11:59 p.m. Eastern. If you want in, you're going to have to click that button below, or I'll put a link in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. I'm just making sure Monday is the 28th. Yes, it is. So click the button below or click the link in the description to purchase this. You will get full information on how to access all of these boot camps. You'll get links to all of the templates. Plus, you'll get reminders of, come on in to the custom name necklace bootcamp, which is coming up starting December 22nd, December 28th, and then January 6th. And as well, with all my boot camps, if you can't make it live for that particular one, it's okay, because as you can see, I always post the replays in the groups, and you can get access to them anytime you want. So it's the best of both worlds. This is the most insane offer I could come up with. I think it's a no-brainer. Go ahead, order it now. You don't want to be disappointed when I come out with that custom name necklace bootcamp in the future, and it's at $498.50. You missed it. So don't miss it. It ends Monday. I can't wait to work with you. This is going to be awesome. We'll see you soon. If you have any questions as well, let me know in the comments. Have a great day, everybody.